So what do you do if you got a block of wood that you've had for a while, and you pull it back out of the bin, and you've got these checks? And there's not really a whole lot you can do, especially if you have a check like this that goes all the way across, and it actually goes down the end. So I guess I could glue them, I don't know, but it's a pretty piece of wood. I think it's sycamore if I'm not mistaken. It could be anything. It's garage wood. And I'm going to try and salvage something out of it. See what I can do. So, what I'm going to do with this is, I have friends. And they like to do crafting stuff. And they love this really fine shaved kind of bird's nesty looking stuff. And you can get them in Hobby Lobby and other places, but I've got a big pile of it right here. And I can also practice my skew, which you should always do if you have a chance to. Now I have just a skew, I think it's a Thompson, and I've got a slight curve on it, maybe more curve than I should, but I kind of like it. Skew, slightly raised. Shooting my pieces back into the tool rest. I think I'm getting the shavings that I want. The lighter the cut, the finer the bird's nest material. Notice that I put a board, move this over, I put a board down here. And what the board is there for is it catches the material. So now I've got this nice grassy stuff. You can repeat, get as much as you want, bag it up, give it to your friends or crafters, and they love it. They go in, and actually I made a couple little small bowls with eggs in them, and this is very nice for that. Very good backing. Kind of cool actually. So if you're not a skew person, it's a good thing to practice. It gives a great finish on a piece of wood. And really all you're trying to do is you anchor the bevel, get the bevel. You can do it. You lad the bevel while you have no shavings, and then you simply raise it a little bit. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get it to cut right about there. Not there, not there, there. If you get past this point right here, it's unsupported, and it's gonna go bam, and you're gonna get a catch. If you leave it in through here, and lightly bring it along, you get a pretty clean cut. And it takes some practice, but hey, wood grows on trees. And if you'll notice, my wood turned red. Well, I said it's Christmas time, so I got some wood dye from Chromacraft. Kind of like that stuff. And what I'm going to do now, I colored it, saturated good, wanted to go deep, and I'm going to get me some red shavings so I can have maybe some Christmassy type bird's nest. Now I've got red shavings. I think if I let it dry a little better, it might have worked. course, if you got red, you need green. Pretty cool. It's Christmas.